everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. Actually coming to you live. No, scratch that. Today we're gonna do a haul. Nothing new, it seems like. But before I get started on this, and I was gonna kind of do a what's in my bag, and you'll see more why in a minute. The bag I'm currently carrying is my Coach tote here. I thought this was perfect for summer. It is 82 degrees outside here now, and it was 90 this weekend, so it's summer. It is officially summer. So I thought I'd show kind of what fits in my bag here, but first was gonna show you what I got and then show you what I mean, or why I was gonna show you. So I'm just gonna do a little haul here. First, as you can see, I went to Coach, but I also got a Marc Jacobs thing, and it actually comes in its own little dust jacket. Not a dust jacket, it's a dust bag. Again, too many books. And I saw this on the site, and I thought this was so cool. They actually have rings. So I got this little Marc Jacobs ring. I'll have the cameraman get up a little closer to it. You can see it's got one little like rhinestone or whatever that is in it. And then it just says Marc Jacobs on it. The Marc Jacobs. But yeah, I just picked that up. I thought it was so cute. They have them in this color and in purple. So I got that, and I thought it was so cute that it actually comes in its own little dust bag. So there's my Marc Jacobs haul for today. But no, I went to the Coach outlet. Pride was just released, and I noticed that on my feed today there's tons of Pride things out there. A lot of people were at Coach checking it out and getting some of the stuff. I didn't get anything from Pride, actually. There was a few things I liked, but then I found some other stuff that I liked more. So I got that. But one thing I got was on clearance, and it was something that I looked at the same time I bought this. And it was this. It is another tote. They're almost identical, except for the green one is bigger. So I was trying to decide which one I wanted that day. This one's a tad bigger than the Marc Jacobs. This one is smaller than the Marc Jacobs. I know I like the Marc Jacobs. I figured I'd like this one because it's very similar to the Celine Nano Tote, which we all know that I love. And so at the time I was only going to purchase one, and I decided to go with the yellow because my intent at the time was to get a yellow bag. But I really liked this, and so when I saw this one was on sale, it was in their like clearance section. And let's see how much it was. It was marked down to $424.99, and then it was what was it, like 70% off, and then another 15 off of that or something. It was cheap. It was under $100. That's all I know. Right about $100. So I got that, and that's one of the reasons I was going to do a what fits in my bag, because I was going to show what's in this one to give you an idea of how much more room this one even has. But we'll get to that. I got a few other things. To go along with this one, I did get like a matching wallet. So I have this to go with this. This too was in the clearance section. So I was glad to see it. It's just got the little C on the pull here. Silver hardware, which I love. Just opens up to a little coin purse in there. And then there's a snap that has 1, 2, 3, 4 slots for actually you could do 5 or 6 slots for cards, and this one like where you can put your driver's license. But I just thought this was a nice little wallet. Perfectly matches this, so I got that to go together. And then I know that I generally carry my luxury bags, and based on wanting decent cost per wear, it makes more sense to use them more frequently. But there were some of the new colors that just came out for like spring and summer from Coach that I just fell in love with, and I wanted some of them. And what was Devin Christopher got the purple Coach item from Kevin, and I was just like, oh, oh, I need that, I need the green, and I need the red, and I need that, and I'm like, what can I buy that I know I'll use, and that doesn't really interrupt with like cost per wear when using other bags. And I came up with getting this. They're little wristlets. It's got a little wristlet spot here. It zips open. And then it's got the matching interior. These have changed over the years. They now have 2 card slots in them, which I think is awesome. I also love that the interior is the same color as the exterior. This was the only color, or the only green one in this color left in the store, the wristlet were at my store. So I picked that up, and then, as I said, I love the purple. So we got my little Coach thing here. These, I believe, came to $26 each, if I'm remembering correctly. Got my little receipt here. Yeah, $26.52. Oh, yeah, I lied. The bag was $108. Then the little green wallet was $41.50, and then these were $26.52 over the weekend. And again, look at this purple and this gorgeous purple interior. I absolutely love it. And these are probably my most used favorite SLG. Every time I have a bag, when I have my stuff in my bag, the thing, I always have one of these. It's either a mini pochette from Louis Vuitton, or the O case from Chanel, or I have 2 of the Calvi card holders from Hermes, but this will serve the same purpose. The only difference is it's got a little bit longer wristlet thing tag here. And then I got this one, the kind of coral colored one with the flowers. I just think these are just gorgeous with the nice matching interior, and I just couldn't not leave the store with some of these colors. So that's what my Coach haul is like. And then I'm just going to kind of show here, like I was saying, like what fits in my bag. So I'm going to do an unbagging, I guess, instead of, like what fits in my bag, just the opposite. I'm just going to take it out. So I can close this. It snaps. It stays snapped. So it's kind of bumpy, though. You can see a little bit bumped out there. And so, she's pushing the limit a little bit of what all fits. And then you can see it from here. But inside I have my Louis Vuitton Zoe wallet, a calendar, my Coach wristlet that I bought to match this thing. And like I said, I just love these for putting stuff in. A hand lotion, card holder that matches this, gum, key clay that I keep my change in, more gum, 6-ring key holder with my keys and fob in it. Let's see, a work thing, my Chanel mirror, a little pill container. Inside the zip pocket, I have lipstick. I have perfume. I do have lipstick. What kind is it? Prada Candy. I have my Dior lip gloss. I have hand sanitizer. And a little tie right here. So if I just kind of switch this out really quick and not doing this nice and neat or anything, I love this too, that this has the green interior, whereas this one has like a beige. This one's got green, and what a deal. I'm like, the Marc Jacobs totes are $175, but this was, like I said, $108, and it comes with a leather bottom, it comes with feet, it comes with an adjustable strap. So, how could I not? I love the Marc Jacobs tote, but this was nice, and you get leather. So if I throw this stuff all in here, I'm just really, truly gonna just set it all in just to kind of show you how much more room you have. Throwing it all in here. That's how I always pack my bag. No, just kidding. But now, absolutely no lumps and bumps. Loads more room. I could fit a lot more in there. snaps up with no problem. So, definitely, I think a big difference. I mean, this was kind of, to me, almost pushing it with my stuff. And just that little bit extra actually really makes a difference. So, just to again compare, here's the front. Here's the sides. The back, obviously, this one's a lot smaller. And then, again, feet with a leather bottom. So if you like the Marc Jacobs totes, or you're thinking about getting one, but weren't sure, I would check out your Coach right now, because if these are, there was another one of these there too, so these are all on clearance right now at the outlets, I think. At least they are at mine, and what a steal. Like I said, $108 for this one. This one would have been cheaper. But $108, and you get, leather. Leather at the top, leather at the bottom. You get feet, and don't get me wrong, I still love the Marc Jacobs too, but those are $175, and $375 in the leather. So this is just a phenomenal deal. I just couldn't not take it. So that's what I have for you today. I'm going to do another, well, I'll be back again next Wednesday. I'm really seriously, my subscribers are growing a little bit here and there. So please like, comment, subscribe, please subscribe. And based on what's been happening, I may start filming 2 days a week just to get a few more videos out there and some more content. And I have been just kind of loving everything lately and picking up things right and left. And so instead of making every single video a haul, I would like to do a couple other things in between. So I might start throwing out a few extra videos and see how that goes, and then maybe start regularly doing twice a week. So we'll see how that goes. But again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Comment. Love to have conversations in the comments. I try to answer every comment I get. Not too hard right now when I only have about 250 subscribers, but hey, that's awesome. I'll probably gear up to do a giveaway at 500 subscribers, and then maybe 1,000, something like that. But in the meantime, just thank you so much for being here, and please remember, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Until next time, bye.